Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix control center not working on iPhone and iPad. So friends, let's start the video. To fix the control center not working on iPhone, first of all you have to open the settings menu on your iPhone and iPad. After opening the settings menu, now swipe down and tap Control Center. After opening the Control Center, here make sure that Access Within app is turned on in your iPhone. Now go to Back menu, scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode. In the Face ID and passcode, scroll down and here make sure that Control Center is also turned on in your iPhone. So friends, after turning on these two features, you can now open the Control Center on the lock screen, within apps and on the home screen.